In this video, we will learn how to update window quickly and easily. So first click on the start button. Then select the gear icon, open the setting. Then navigate to update and security. Okay. Then click on the check for update. Okay. So in the Windows Update tab, window will search for the latest updates, and if any are available, click on the download. Once the download is complete, the installation will start automatically. So here after the installing, the restart required option showing. In below side the restart now, you can restart your laptop now and you can schedule the restart. Okay, I just click on the schedule the restart. Here the schedule a time, just click on and pick up the time. Okay, click on and just pick up the time and pick up a day. I just set to tomorrow. Okay, and I set here the timing tomorrow 10 okay, and just click on OK and just go back again. Now your restart is scheduled tomorrow on 10 a.m. Your laptop will restart automatically. And here some below have some updates. If you want to latest updates of window, just click on. If you don't want to latest update, just click on off. Okay, so this is a way you can update your window. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.